Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Today I'm going to be doing a Bath & Body Works video because I love Bath & Body Works. So if you love Bath & Body Works, you know what you need to do. You gotta like and subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Okay, I have a whole list here. I'm so prepared. Hey girl. Okay, so we're gonna talk about every single thing Bath & Body Works owns and how I use the products up. If I don't like the products or use it, I'll tell you how I would use it up if I use the products. Okay, let's get into it, you guys. So let's start with candles. I do this video once a year, and if you love Bath & Body Works hauls, collections, videos, news, all things Bath & Body Works, and so much more, you gotta subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Love you guys so much. Mwah! Kisses. Okay. Candles. How would I use the candles up fast? Okay, easy. You buy the candles, right? You smell them, you love them. Okay, you light a candle in your house all day, every day, except for when you're out of the house or sleeping. Have a candle lit. If I was into candles from Bath & Body Works, I would have a candle right next to me lit right now, going right now. In every single house. In every single room. Ooh, girl, the belch is down. Yeah, I would have a candle lit in every single room in my house right now if I like candles. Okay, and that's how you get the candles used up. Okay, there is no excuse to have 5 million different candles unless you're a collector. Oh, and by the way, what is the difference between a collector and a hoarder? Okay, a collector uses their products. A hoarder just buys stuff and doesn't use it. So, just letting you know. So what are you? Are you a hoarder or you're a collector? Hopefully you're a collector. If you're a hoarder, girl, well, hey, that's on you, girl, okay? Yes. Okay, so burn your candles nonstop. Every single room. Just make sure when you're sleeping or taking a nap, you blow the candles out or leave the house. Don't leave the candles going on when you leave the house, girl, because otherwise the fire truck's about to come, girl. Meet a sexy firefighter. Ew. No, I'm kidding. But anyway, you guys, no, never leave the candles unattended. Don't fall asleep with candles on. That is not cute. Don't leave candles on if you're leaving the house. And yeah, just checking your candles. And then when those candles are done, oh, and of course, if it stops working, then cut the candle wax up, and then put them on your candle burner, your wax melt. You know, melt that wax. I love doing that. Bam. Okay, wallflowers. Same as wallflowers. Plug a wallflower in every single room in your entire house. Living room, upstairs, bedroom, spare bedroom, bathroom. Have a candle going, candle and wallflower going non-stop. And wallflowers, you can have it all. Leave the house, come back, sleeping. That's the good thing about wallflowers. And they go quick. And as soon as the smell is gone, unplug it, throw it in your empties, and put a brand new wallflower in that plug, Miss Mama. Oh, okay. So, there's just no excuse. You just have to use your products up nonstop. Be aware of it. Once you're aware, you're good to go. And that's how you have massive empties. By the way, if you're new to my channel, I do massive empties on this channel. Bath & Body Works, so much more. Every single couple months on this channel. So, you gotta subscribe. Okay. Pocket bags. Okay. Pocket bag by your bed, in your bathroom, every single room. Just constantly be using those pocket bags. In your car, in your office, wherever, when you do your makeup, and then you know what, you're good to go. Use it up. Perfumes. One at a time, okay? One perfume at a time. You just spray that bad boy down. When the spray is done, spray it again, throw it in your purse. Just spray the bathroom before you use it because those public bathrooms be stank, girl. So you gotta spray it down before you use it, girl. Spray it in your bathroom, spray it in your clothes. Just spray that perfume up and down until it's used up. Sprays. Okay, so body sprays and room sprays, same thing. Room sprays, personally, I can't do room sprays at all. But if you're going to use room sprays, it goes a long way. So just don't buy too many. But if you're going to buy a lot, then use it up in your bathroom, room, every single room. Spray the room spray in every single room in your house. When you enter the room, you smell it, and it smells really, really good. Body sprays, take a bath in your body sprays. So like spray your whole body up and down every couple hours until it's gone. You can use it on your curtains, fake plants. You can use it on your bed, your linens, room spray. You can use your body spray up in a week if you use it right. Okay, shower gels. Now, this is what I use for Bath & Body Works mainly, is shower gels. How do I use my shower gels up so fast? I use it in the bathtub as bubble bath. I use a quarter every single day. If I take a bath every other day, I use half the shower gel in one go. So you can use a shower gel up in 4 days if you're using it up right. And that's like, what, 8 or so showers a month? And you can get through those shower gels, Miss Mama. Yes. Lotions, one at a time. You just take the lotion, put in your hands, rub your whole body down, your feet, your legs, your stomach, your sides, your arms, your chest, your back, everywhere. Lotion or body cream it up one at a time. When it's done, use your next one. Okay, so that's lotions, body creams. Now for the decor. This is something people don't talk about a lot. If you buy a lot of decor from Bath & Body Works, like soap holders, candle holders, all that stuff like that, which I love their candle holders. Here's an example. This was a clock one that came out for Christmas. I absolutely love it. It is gorgeous. 3-way candle holders. I love getting these. But after a while, you're going to have so many. What do? So I use it for a couple of years. Then I donate it, buy new ones, because otherwise you're going to have too much stuff. So declutter every couple of years your candle and soap holders and buy new ones. There's always cute ones coming every year. So every couple of years, donate, buy new ones for decor items. Soaps, hand soaps, one at a time. The foaming lasts about a week if you do it right, 5 days a week. The gel, I can use a gel hand soap from Bath & Body Works in 3.5 days. I wash my hands every hour, or if not multiple times an hour. I'm constantly washing my hands, and the more you wash your hands, the more you can put hand creams, lotions, body creams on your hands, and you can use that up faster. It's all a cycle. Just use. Excuse me. And before I get comments saying, well, why don't you just not buy so much? Then you don't have to use it up so fast. Because we love to buy. Okay, hello. We're shopaholics. Duh. Okay, so that's hand creams and all that stuff like that. So now the scrubs. Scrubs are super easy to do. You can take your scrub and use it on your whole body, your feet, your whole body. I can use a scrub up, depending on what scrub it is, in either 1, 2, or 3 uses. And I like to use a scrub every other week, but you can use it every week. And use at least 2 to 4 scrubs a month. You really can. Yeah. That's how you use the scrubs. Just use a ton of it. Pour a lot of it use it in the bath and just scrub your whole body down, girl. Up and down. Okay. Lip gloss and lip balms. You take a balm all day, every day. Just constantly rub that balm on those lips, girl. Just all day, every day. One at a time till it's done. Same with lip gloss. Take one lip gloss. Reapply it throughout the day. It should be done in a week. The balm will take longer, but the gloss, if you use the gloss right, Bath & Body Works, use it one at a time, all day, every day. In like a week or less, the gloss will be gone. I'll say that right now. Okay, and that is everything, you guys. Hopefully this helps you. If you did, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. I do Bath & Body Works hauls all the time. I will link down below my last spring haul that I posted a few days ago. If you haven't seen that, check it out. And I will also, a few days ago, I posted a massive Bath & Body Works collection, so you can see everything in my collection. And yeah, I'll post those videos down below in case you missed it in the description box. Check those videos out if you haven't seen those. Like, comment, subscribe. Mwah! Thank you so much for subscribing. Until next time, happy shopping and happy using your products app. Bye, guys.